Welcome to Spices and Sauces, where food is more than just what's on the plate. I'm your host, and today we're exploring something deeper than recipes or techniques. We're asking, why do we cook the way we do? Whether it's a humble home kitchen in Lebanon or a Michelin-starred restaurant in Lyon, the reasons we cook tell us so much about our cultures, our values, and our hearts. Let's begin in the Middle East, where cooking is inseparable from hospitality. In many homes, the kitchen isn't just for food. It's for giving, for welcoming, for offering love through flavors. You'll often hear a phrase in Arabic culture that translates to, "The guest is a gift from God." That belief echoes in the way meals are prepared, abundantly, generously, and with a spirit of warmth. There's no need for precision, no measuring cups, just hands, instinct, and heart. You taste, you go. You cook until it smells right. It's intuitive. In contrast, let's step into a European kitchen. Maybe in Tuscany or Provence. Here, cooking often leans toward precision and refinement. It's not just about feeding people. It's about technique, artistry, even legacy. Recipes are passed down and perfected. There's a pride in execution, mastering the flame and balancing the butter. It's about elevating the ingredients to their finest expression. In the Middle East, the pride is in the gathering itself. The fact that everyone is fed and full. That is the goal. So while one approach may favor the craft, the other favors the connection. Neither is better. They're simply different expressions of love. So why do we cook? In Europe, it might be to express beauty and skill. In the Middle East, it's to offer generosity and comfort. Both are deeply human. Both speak to what matters most in each culture. And when they meet on the same table, something magical happens. In our next episode, we'll dive into what we cook with, those key ingredients that define the soul of Middle Eastern and European food. Olive oil, spices, butter, and so much more. Until then, stay hungry for stories. See you soon. Welcome back to Spices and Sauces. I'm your host, and today we're heading straight into the pantry. Because ingredients tell us everything. They whisper where we're from. They carry our climate, our history, even our religion and trade routes. So what does it say when you reach for olive oil, or for butter, for saffron, or for thyme? Let's find out. Let's start with fat, the foundation of flavor. In the Middle East, the king is olive oil. It's everywhere. Drizzled on salads, poured into stews, and used in pastries. It's not just food. It's liquid gold. Olive oil connects us to the land, groves, and ancient trees that have outlived generations. But travel north into Europe, especially places like France, Austria, or Germany, and butter becomes the hero. It gives richness. It rounds out sauces. It turns simple bread into something indulgent. Where olive oil adds brightness, butter adds depth. Next comes flavor. And here's where things get beautifully bold. In Middle Eastern cooking, we build layers of taste with spices. Cumin, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom, and blends like za'atar and baharat. The moment a dish hits the pan, the spices are already sizzling. The aroma becomes the announcement. Dinner is coming. In much of European cuisine, especially the classical French tradition, the approach is different. Herbs often lead the way. Thyme, rosemary, parsley, bay leaf. The flavors are refined, and the technique often carries more weight than the seasoning itself. And then there's acidity. In the Middle East, you might find sumac or pomegranate molasses bringing that bright tang. In Italy, maybe a splash of balsamic. In France, a squeeze of lemon in the final step. Different cultures, same instinct. To balance, to wake up the palate. Each ingredient speaks. Olive oil says sun and earth. Butter says warmth and richness. Spices say adventure. Herbs say patience. So the next time you open your spice drawer or pour oil into a pan, ask yourself, what story am I telling today? Because ingredients aren't just building blocks. They're messengers of culture, climate, and soul. In the next episode, we'll look at how food is cooked. From open fire in clay pots to copper pans and wood-burning ovens. Tools and techniques, the muscle behind the magic. Until then, may your kitchen always smell like home. Thank you for watching and listening. Afsan Farm Kitchen by Afsan Farm Media Production.
Welcome, food enthusiasts. We're excited to introduce you to AFMP, your go-to social channel for an array of healthy recipes inspired by famous cuisines from around the world. Our special focus is on Middle Eastern cuisine, perfect for busy professionals who want to cook at home but crave restaurant-quality taste. With our easy-to-follow recipes and accessible ingredients, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Join us and elevate your home cooking game. Let's dive into it.
Are you looking for a delicious and healthy dinner recipe? Look no further. Introducing a flavorful turkey breast and vegetable dish. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the turkey breast with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and sear the turkey breast until golden brown on all sides. Once seared, transfer the turkey breast to a baking dish. In the same skillet, add more olive oil and sauté onions, bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots until tender. Season the vegetables with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Spread the cooked vegetables evenly around the turkey breast in the baking dish. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Remove the foil and continue baking for another 15 to 20 minutes until the turkey breast is cooked through. Remember to check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the turkey breast rest for a few minutes before slicing. Serve with a generous helping of the roasted vegetables. This flavorful and colorful dish is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. It's a perfect meal for family dinners or when you have guests over. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy recipe for a special night? Look no further. Today, I'll be sharing a mouth-watering trout recipe that is sure to impress. Trout is not only incredibly tasty, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. High in omega-3 fatty acids, trout promotes heart health and helps reduce inflammation. Additionally, trout is an excellent source of protein and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and gather the following ingredients. You will need fresh trout fillets, lemon slices, garlic cloves, fresh dill, salt, and pepper. Begin by seasoning both sides of the trout fillets with salt and pepper to taste. Next, place a few lemon slices on top of each fillet, followed by a sprinkling of minced garlic and fresh dill. Once seasoned, carefully wrap each trout fillet in aluminum foil, ensuring they are securely sealed. The foil will help lock in the flavors and moisture, resulting in a beautifully tender and flavorful trout. Now, place the foil-wrapped trout fillets on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven. Cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the trout is opaque and easily flakes with a fork. While the trout is baking, take a moment to appreciate the tantalizing aroma filling your kitchen. Once cooked, carefully unwrap the foil to reveal the perfectly cooked trout fillets. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill and serve alongside your favorite side dishes. The tender and flaky trout, infused with the zesty flavors of lemon and dill, is simply irresistible. As you savor each bite, remember that you are also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Whether it's a romantic dinner for two or a special gathering, this trout recipe is a winner. So, why not treat yourself and your loved ones to a memorable meal that is not only delicious but also nutritious? Try this mouth-watering trout recipe tonight and enjoy the incredible health benefits it has to offer. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Today we have a simple and imperative recipe with turkey meat, broccoli with delicacies, mushrooms, and cream. For the body and health. In a large skillet, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add diced turkey meat and sauté until browned and cooked through. Toss in fresh broccoli florets, sliced mushrooms, and a pinch of salt. Cook for a few minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Pour in a cup of heavy cream and gently simmer until it thickens slightly. Season with black pepper and a dash of nutmeg for a touch of delicacy. Serve this nourishing turkey, broccoli, mushroom, and cream dish for a delightful meal that's both delicious and packed with nutrients for your body and health. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips.
Mutton is the meat of an adult sheep, as opposed to lamb, which comes from a younger sheep. Mutton typically has a stronger, gamier flavor and tougher texture than lamb. It is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world, particularly in Middle Eastern, Indian, and British cuisine.